Say hello to June Homes 78745 Austin, your gateway to comfortable student living that is light on the pocket and takes care of all your needs. These stylish en-suites and charming non-ensuites offer a queen bed for restful sleeps, a built-in closet for all your belongings, and premium hardwood floors. Plus, with speedy Wi-Fi available in the room, academics, connectivity, and entertainment are sorted. Enjoy blockbuster nights on the 32-inch flat-screen TV, or whip up deliciousness in the fully stocked kitchen with a dishwasher for easy cleanup. The decorative fireplace adds a touch of royalty and elegance to this exquisite space. Stay cool even in the harshest of summers with air conditioning, and tackle chores with in-unit laundry and select accommodations. When St Edward's University and Austin Community College are a short drive away, your timely arrival to class is inevitable. Catch a bus from 1706 Stastny bus stop and explore the city effortlessly. Unlock a world of culinary delights right around the corner from this magnificent property. So grab your spot at June Homes 78745 Austin, now with amberstudent.com.